guys, I hope you're doing well. Max Capital here with the Wall Street Institute and Company. So today we're going to do a breakdown of a call setup that we took on the 13th of September 2022. Now, this is a setup that um, showed a lot of people flames, but we were lucky, or should I say, we were prepared and we were on the right side of the trade. It was driven by the CPI, and we were able to attain about 225 pips within a space of 15 minutes. Now, we also posted this on our Instagram. You can follow us. It's Wall Street Institute and Company. Can also appear as Max Black. So this is the setup. We got 11 out from the setup, and this is what it looked like before and the after. We always try to document all our trades, not just the good ones, even the ones that failed, so that we can learn from them. Now, back to the setup. We did our analysis was we looked at the high time frame structure in this case, which was a 2-hour time frame. Now it could be from 1 hour all the way to a monthly time frame. So those could be your high time frame, where you can basically build the bigger picture so that you can understand long-term or the macro picture where the market is going in the long-term run. Now, with that said, let's get to it. Three things that we look for when we analyze the market. We look for the trend, level, and signal, and all these three elements must be in agreement or must give us confluence of all. In layman terms, they must tell us the same story. There mustn't be any conflict, because if there's conflict, then the confidence on the setup is low. But when the market gives us the same confluence, then our confidence level will be high and we'll be willing to take a risk on that particular setup. And remember, that doesn't mean that we are sure of what's going to happen, but we're just executing based on a proven data-proven edge in the financial markets. And remember, one of the rules of the financial markets, or fundamental truths of the financial markets by Mark Douglas, is that anything can happen. Now that means you can't be using words like, yeah, it's supposed to go this way. I know. Nobody knows. We just analyze the market and place our trades based on the edge that we have in the market. Now, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, looking at this overall trend, I mean, it's going down, the market's going down. So that means to us, we need to be looking for selling opportunities, buying opportunities. So what we saw here was we had this major lower high here, and a major lower low, which was at this point, and we were looking for a trade setup anywhere in between. And we realized that there was an order block or an area of supply in this area that was left unmitigated. And luckily, price came to this area and mitigated it. And after seeing that market has reacted with wicks to this area, what we're now looking for is for the market to break the last lower high, stepping down to a lower time frame to refine. So this is the reaction. We noticed that the last higher low, was at this point. I said lower high before. So at the last higher low was this point, and the market managed to break this higher low, and we managed to a couple of candlesticks already close below. With that said, then we needed to find an area within this range where the market will retrace back to, and when it taps into, it will correct some liquidity or filling in any imbalance or any unmedicated order blocks or areas of supply. So we step down to a 15-minute time frame, and when we refine our setup, what we were able to find is that we had an order block that was unmitigated at this area, and look at that. After breaking the last higher low, the market went to it, reacted, and then boom, tanked to the downside. We also noticed that there is liquidity building up in this area, equal lows, if you may. So this is a downward bottom to some. For us, we see this as liquidity. The market had to come and clear out stops. Yeah. And as for our targets, we recognize this last area of demand where the market took off when it was moving to the upside, and we had our 11R setup looking like this, and within 15 minutes, you can see this is a 15-minute candle. It just tanked and hit our target profit. There we go. Here was our 11.5R trade, and we appreciate you watching this video. We also appreciate the support that we're receiving via our social. Please continue to share our page, continue to share our content, like, subscribe, and if there's any topic that you'd like us to discuss or make a video of, please leave a comment down. We are very active. We're going to make sure that we will reply to that as soon as possible. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd also like to have your attention turned into one of our partners, which is a sponsor for this video, is Infinox. Now, this is a trading platform that is built to give you a leading edge in the market. They're available on MT4 and 5, leverage up to 1,300 plus instruments that you can trade with micro loads, and they've got partners that are a little bit over 14,000. You can also join IX Social, which is more like copy trade, but just a little bit better with the transparency and how many traders you can copy or link your account to. Now, if you want to be part of us or support this video, you can just click on the link on the description on the bio on our social, register, we'll fund, and then we'll help you trade and attain success in the market. And if you do this, just hit me up. We'll leave our WhatsApp number and contact details below so that you can gain access to our 2 weeks promo, whereby we are giving away our smart money concept course to the first 20 people that are going to register and fund their accounts. Now, the global markets, financial markets are waiting for you to access a wide range of securities and instruments that you can take advantage of daily in the financial markets. Now, ladies and gentlemen, until the next one, cheers. Bye-bye.